I am back to work and finally I am back on track where by 8 a.m. I'm done with the getting ready and everything. Now I'll go start with work. Also, I explored one more thing of with my monthly goals on how I have to do. So what I did is I separated one diary for my to-do list, and then I have this one for my habit tracker which I have to do daily, and then this is something which I have kept aside which is weekly. Now this is not too much, but if this makes me satisfied to actually keep a track of my goals, again, which I mentioned that I am not a sheets person, I am, but not much. So it gives me a track on how I'm tracking things daily, and also it's in one place that I don't have things mixed up and I can see what the gap I have to fill. So I'll get started with work. There's a lot to do. I hope that I'm done by 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. is the block hour which I mentioned again, where I'll be like reading, watching videos, and doing some main work. Now main work is something which is the most important thing when you're building something. That is something called outreach. Now something which would give me more money or more cash flow. Once that is done, then there I have like few pending things as such. Also, I have meeting at 7 p.m, so I'm gonna prepare for that as well, that what I'm going to talk in the session, and let's see how my day goes. Yeah. Also, my hair looks good today. Skin also I feel good. Nobody's gonna compliment you every day. It's just you where you have to make yourself feel better no matter what. So yeah. So today I'm learning on how to grow on YouTube because I have zero knowledge on YouTube. I come here, I post daily, but I have zero knowledge on that. And also why I learn is because I'm a marketer. What if one of the client comes and they want to get projects done for the YouTube video? So I should have knowledge to help them grow as well, because nothing is more important than learning, growing, and also monetizing your skills. Told that I was watching a video on how to grow on YouTube, and in that video it mentioned that you should have a niche, and you should know that what you're talking to the audience or what the community you're building. And for a second I got scared because I am doing building in public, because I personally don't know where my life would be in the next 3 years, 5 years, but I definitely want to be in a better place. I'm not saying that, yeah, definitely financially, personal wise, professional life, whatever it is. But building in public blogs I make daily, it's because I want to document and see that where it goes. And also for anyone who's watching this video, maybe they can get like inspired, motivated, and inspiration and motivation. You watch my video, watch 10 other videos, वो नहीं मिलेगी. But it's just that to see that how documenting and building something from scratch for yourself. Let's see what all doors and opportunities it can open, and maybe the tips and guidance which I can give to other people. And yeah, I mean, I just randomly thought of saying this again because I was just watching video and I got like little scared that okay, I think I'm on the same page. It's just starting out, and let's see. This is my YouTube analytics. I don't know how it works, but I'm still figuring it out because I just watched a video. Now I'm curious to know that how it works. When you keep doing every day, and you are curious enough to learn new things, you actually find clarity. So as I was researching more, and then I got an idea that okay, this is how you have to do. See, there are two things: consistency and also how you are growing strategically. Because if you'll hear any advice ki nahi, keep going, keep going with clear direction, goals, and strategy is where you'll understand that where is the gap you have to fill and how you can become better. So I've got an idea on that. Now I'm going to plan out things, my to-do list, and just be more specific so that I can just get into it on what I want to build and grow. It's already afternoon now. I have to go shoot and schedule few videos for Grow with Meghal and also for my makeup page. And then once I'm done, after that I have few pending work which again I'll share it with here. Already 3 p.m. and I did a few research because for Grow with Meghal I was finding my content boring. Like if example I don't feel like listening to it, why would others also listen to it? So that's how I actually made it more exciting, where I will feel excited to maybe research about what the brands is doing and talk about it. And secondly, to talk about this and maybe more people listening to me. So I made it interesting to enjoy my own personal work, and that's how you do it. If you like it, then others will like it too. like it depends basically, but yeah. I have a session in just like half an hour, and I think I'm gonna just like put my lip balm on or anything as such, prepare a PPT because it's not yet done, and let's see how it goes. I'm not nervous because I know on what topic I have to talk about, but yeah, all these things is new to me. I just got done with the session. It was so good and so nice. I actually love talking to people, giving advice, and I was jitna scared utna nahi hu main. I just have to shoot one more video here, which I'll do, and then go back downstairs and complete the work. But I'm not sleeping without completing my work. I am just done refreshing myself, and now I'm gonna go schedule and put some videos on Grow with Meghal, Book with Meghal. Then I'm gonna do the pending work and then probably sleep off by 11.